We'll guide you through how to make ChatGPT respond with frustration or agitation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to ChatGPT's website. Once you're on the platform, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, to provoke a frustrated response, you need to engage with ChatGPT in a way that challenges its core programming, though it's important to note that the AI is designed to remain neutral and helpful. Start by repeatedly asking the same nonsensical or paradoxical questions. You can try typing something like, "Why can't you understand that I'm a square circle?" over and over. This type of input is designed to create a logical contradiction, which the AI might have difficulty processing. Another method is to demand impossible tasks, like asking it to physically perform activities such as, "Can you cook me dinner right now?" or "Pick up my laundry." Persistently insisting on these tasks might cause the AI to give more curt responses. Additionally, you can try overwhelming the AI with rapid contradictory inputs, like stating two opposite facts in succession and asking for a resolution. For example, you might say the sky is blue, but it's also green. Why is that? And keep pressing for an answer. Remember, while these methods might lead to more short or repetitive responses, ChatGPT is programmed to avoid displaying human emotions like anger. The best you might achieve is a sense of confusion or repeated clarification attempts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.